Yo dudes! Welcome to Feburgerary. Okay, that's pretty crap. Okay, so for the full month of February, we're going to do burgers. We're going to do a full series in burgers just to show you that burger is nothing more than a shape.
Just a pie.
This is our friend, the wonderful Brett, also known as Epivegan on Instagram. Brett wrote a super cool book, What Vegans Eat. Great introductory to like vegan cooking, and if you're looking for inspiration, it's fab. We are going to be cooking
Onion bhaji burger.
I like how you say bhaji.
Absolutely perfect
Bhaji.
one. Maybe it's an accent.
Cool.
So, do you want to pop? We've got cumin, coriander, and turmeric in there. Do you want to pop it in with the gram flour?
Okay, nice, generous. So you get a tablespoon each.
Yep. That's
Okay,
it.
great. So that's our
Happy
curry
days,
powder.
Get them in.
That's our cumin, and there's our coriander.
Boom.
Okay, so that's our gram
All of those
flour.
in.
Gram flour, also known as chickpea flour, has this wonderful egg-like texture due to its protein content, and it's just nice colour. We have gone through it with a whisk just to kind of, because it has a tendency to clump together, so just to declumpify.
Okay, all we want to do now is we want to pop the chilies in.
The chilies.
So, chilies in there.
Okay, so we went with one red, one green.
Yep, de-seeded, finely chopped.
Yeah. Put
And
less
then-
if you don't like it, more if you want more.
Little pinch of salt in there.
Nice work,
And
Brett.
then we've got a cup of, well, this is about half a cup, so it's 100 ml of sparkling water.
I like the addition of sparkling water just to add that effervescence. No.
Yeah, and you want to get that extra crunch when we crisp it up. So you're just going to mix that
So
in.
the whole idea of the sparkling water is just it'll create more bubbles, more aeration, more lighter, more fluffy, more delicate.
You've got it. You've got it.
Bajillions.
More delicate, more crispy. It's going to fry up nicely.
More
Absolutely
carbonation.
beautiful. Exactly. And then
I look at the lovely colour. So look at the lovely colour of this now. It's starting to go kind of Indian looking.
Yeah. That's what we're hoping for, right?
Yeah, exactly.
We've got finely sliced red onion here.
Okay.
You can use white onion if you like, but we've gone for red onion today, nice and colourful.
Yeah, more antioxidant content.
There we go. Boom.
Okay, so we chopped it into half moons. What we're trying to do here is just make sure that they're all really well coated in the batter, because obviously the batter is what's going to be the glue that holds this all together and just create the whole body.
Once you've got them really well coated, we're going to give it about 10 to 15 minutes of them just sitting there, soaking up all that moisture from the batter, and then we're going to put some oil in the pan and get them bad boys frying.
Okay, we've let it sit for 10, 15 minutes. It was very hard to wait because this is very exciting.
Our tummies are rumbling, so we're just going to pop some oil in the pan.
Well, Brett likes oil again, okay.
I like the oil. With a bhaji, you definitely need a bit of oil in there.
Yeah,
Is there any replacements that you guys use?
Just a really hot pan. I know with a typical bhaji, they're typically deep fried, so at least we're obviously shallow frying them here. There is a fair, generous amount of oil, as you can see, as Brett likes. Obviously, if you're into oil-free, just leave it out. Just make sure your pan is piping, sizzling hot.
I suppose the other thing you could probably give a go is either using a tiny bit less and brushing them and then baking them. You could bake them to get that crispiness, or if you are oil free, then you can try and dry bake them.
But it's quite important that you get that. Bhaji needs to have that crispy exterior. Okay, you want to work your magic?
Yep, just let that get quite nice and hot, and then I'll pop them in. Just gonna get a generous handful like that. Pop it in.
Nice.
Spread it out a little bit. Beautiful.
Okay,
and that's what you want.
I like the way it's not like a proper patty. It's its own kind of just, each one is its own unique shape.
Exactly, and you want it to get really crispy like that. So the smaller the little parts, the crispier it's gonna get.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Boom.
There we go. Yeah, and you're gonna wanna fry them for about a minute on either side.
Ready?
Yeah. Go on.
Oh,
feel the crispiness.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Look at that. Oh. It's exactly what you want.
Okay, we got 2 sets of crispy buns.
Happy days.
So we're gonna go with vegan mayo. We make our own. What do we call it? We call it Unreal Mayo. Woo! The idea of vegan mayo to many might sound crazy, but it's even better than the real thing.
Absolutely tasty.
Yeah.
So while you're spreading that on there, I'm gonna grab this first bhaji that we're gonna pop on.
I love the way you
nice
say bhaji.
and crispy.
We have a flat Wicklow accent, bhaji, whereas you call it a bhaji. It sounds quite posh.
There we go.
Nice, an onion bhaji burger. This is a great one.
Beautiful.
Coriander?
Yep, sprinkle a bit of coriander on there.
Little bit of
What have we got over here, mate?
we have some crimson sauerkraut. So we've gone with anything with bright colours, and the acidity is going to complement it so nice here. So we've gone with a red cabbage sauerkraut, if you will, with a little bit of caraway seed through it. But whatever you have, you know, whether it be pickled onions, whether it be iceberg lettuce, whatever you got, anything like that, just to add nice colour, brightness, vivaciousness.
There we go.
Deliciousness.
We've got some nice fresh spinach leaves here.
And then we go. Now it's bhaji time.
Together.
These little beauties, look.
Cheers, brother.
They're really cute, aren't they?
Yeah.
onion bhaji burger first. This is the first. Good man,
first
Brett.
one, yeah. Happy days.
I feel like I'm on a match, or I've just come out of the pub after having 10 drinks. You know, that's just beautiful.
That satisfying feeling.
It just tastes like a burger, but like a curried, onion, delicious burger.
There we go, mate.
Great job.
That kind of feedback make my day.
Delicious recipe from Brett's new book, 100 Vegan Recipes, well worth checking out. Link down below. Brett's a super cool dude. Do check him out on Instagram. Thanks for watching our burger series. We have titled it Feburgerary. Please let us know what you think. Comment below. Thanks for watching. Sending loads of love. Cheers.
Be nice to each other. Goodbye.
That was good. Nice.